Hello friends, welcome to this. Show which iterations of a loop you are in. To get the index of the item in the collection, we use $index, and to get the index of the parent, we need to use $parent dot $index. It's very simple. Let's have an example and see how it works. So our JS file is ready with records, that is the collection, and we have an inner collection. You can see this. So first what we are going to do, we are going to see the index of these names. Basically these are parent, but we'll iterate this first and then we go for the children. So let's see in this HTML file. We'll write ni and we'll create ng repeat equal to x in records, and we'll see the index here. So how to write this? Dollar index is the index of x dot names. Okay, so what we have, x dot name will show the index of first this name Rahul Kumar, second name Anand Kumar, third Piyush Sharma, in this way. So let's run this. Run on server, finish. So here we are. 0 is of Rahul Kumar, 1 is the index of Anand Kumar. So now we have a collection, inner collection also. Now we'll see the index of these collections. For that, we'll write one more UL tag, and in this we'll create one li, and same we'll iterate this. But now you can see we already have our records in X, and we wants to iterate this children's. So first is this, second is this one. So we have already X dot children's, and we'll put it in the Y. Okay. We'll close this li, and here we'll create dual, same as before. Index of the child, y dot name. We'll simply refresh our page and we got the index 0. So it starts from 0 simply as we have in Java. So if you want to see it better, just add +1 here and +1 here. Now we'll refresh this. We should get the proper index. Now here I want to see whether Rahul 1 has a parent index or not. So now we'll see the index of the parent from child. So this contains parent index, as this should contain 2 and this should contain 1. Let's print this. We'll take this one only, and we'll see dollar parent dot in dollar index +1. Okay, parent of child index of parent. Okay, so refresh this page. Here we are. So 1 is the index of parent Rahul 1. I think we have to make it bit clear. um, okay, we'll write this has parent index, this one. We'll save it and we'll run now. So Rahul has parent index 1, Rahul 2 also has parent index 1, Anand 1 has index 2. What is the index of this one? See, this is matching now. Okay, so with index we have some more variables like first, middle, last, even, odd. So first is it's a boolean type and it will return true if it is the first element in the iteration, middle if it is a middle element in the iteration, and last, even, odd. Okay, so we'll see all this one by one. We'll go to our example now. So in my example, I already added one more uh, children's name, Anand 3, so that I can show you the middle, how middle works. Okay, so we'll clear this index.html first so that it will be easy to understand the things. I'll make it. I'll remove this parent one. It's not required for now. And I'll just simply add whether it is a is first. So this will return you the boolean. So if it is first element in the iteration, then it will give you the result true. Same will add here, but here I'll see the middle part of that so that I can show you both the things. Middle. Okay, we'll simply run this. Okay, so let's see this one. First index, that is the first element. So first is true. Later part of time it is showing false. All are false. Next in the child section, you can see this is one iteration going on. So in this iteration, we didn't get any middle, but in the second case, we are getting the middle one. And here I'll just change this one is, so middle is true. In this case, same, same way you can see all others like last, even. Even is true if the iteration position dollar index is even. That is for 0 to 4 it will give true, otherwise it will give false. Same as odd, it will return true for the odd iterations. So our next topic is filters. So filters can be added to expression by using the pipe character, this character, followed by a filter. So suppose we want to change the name to a lowercase. So how it will be? We'll write name and the lowercase here. So this we'll see in our example how it is working. So in this example, I'm printing here the x dot name. That is the name which we have like this. Now I just want to change it to lowercase or uppercase. So let's see. I'll change all to uppercase. Okay. I'll refresh this page and it is changed to uppercase here. Similarly, I want the child names to a lowercase. So you can observe this, all these, how it is getting changed. See here, all are changed to lowercase. Okay, one more example I'll show, and then just I am keeping other things for your task. I'll this iteration I'll iterate in the order by, in order. So I just want, I'll just add one order by name. Suppose I have name in this list. So if I refresh the page, the name Anand should come first, then in the alphabet order it will automatically get changed. So if I refresh now, I already changed it here, order by name. So if I refresh this page, so Anand came first, alphabetic order, P came second here, and Rahul then Saurav. So it is changed in the ascending order. Okay. In the same way, you can try some more examples on this. So these all you can try by your own. I think it is clear now how to work with the filters. So next is, we'll see one example. So we'll take a list, okay, and whenever we'll type in the input box some name, so it will automatically filter in the array. So suppose I have Anand, Anup, some name like An. So if I type An, it will automatically take whichever will contain An, like this. So let's see this example and then we'll bind up this session. Now what we are going to add, I'll simply add one text box here, right? Put type equal to text and ng model. I'll simply write it test. Okay, I'll close this and I'll add one more filter here, and I'll write filter on test. So how it will work? So I'm getting one text box here, and whenever I am typing, so it is storing the data here, and on based on that, this filter is filtering the data. So we'll refresh this page and we'll see how it is working. So suppose I already have the data in ascending order. So if I type now R A, so you can see this contains RA, this contains RA. So it is filtering from the list of data. So if suppose I remove this, I want to see Anand details. See, this is filtering and it is giving result of Anand. So suppose you want to select from the list of items. So if just you simply type and select that item, it will get into your text box. So in this way, filter is working for us. So that's all for this video. Have a nice day.